as 6:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The flash flood warning remains in effect until 8:45 a.m. for Nash, southwestern Warren, Vance, and Franklin counties. At 6:30 a.m., law enforcement reported flooding across several locations in Nash County, including Dorches, Rocky Mount, and Spring Hope. A water rescue was ongoing near Spring Hope. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain has fallen across the warned area over the past 3 to 4 hours. With additional rain moving across the area and runoff expected to continue, flash flooding is expected to continue and spread. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: law enforcement. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Repeating, a flash flood warning remains in effect until 8:45 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Nash, Vance, and Warren.